Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Reza. In this project, we want to train a neural network for a binary classification task, which is to understand whether or not we have odd number of ones among the three inputs we have. This is important for some applications such as parity check codes, etc. So we use an architecture with two layers, three neurons in the first layer, three neurons in the hidden layer, and finally the label we have. So we restrict ourselves only to have weights of 0 or 1 because we want to implement this model with dominos. And actually, it is the same for biases, but for the last layer, we allow bias to be -1 or 1 or 0. So when we search all possible combinations, because we have a discrete search space, so we can use brute force, and we see that there are a lot of combinations that lead to around 63% accuracy. So we choose one of them, and when we try to understand how does this model look like, this is how the trained architecture looks like. And we can see that the thicker lines actually correspond to weight 1, which means we connect those neurons, and the narrow lines correspond to weight 0, which simply means that we should not connect those neurons. We then implement this architecture. The reason why we used a sigmoid function was that if the sum of inputs to a neuron is positive, the output is 1, and otherwise the output is 0, simply like the actual physics of dominos. And we could see that if only one input falls, the output is 1 because the output label also falls. And we try different cases. For sure, we don't get 100% accuracy because the model is very simple. But this experiment shows that it is doable to implement some neural networks using dominos.